Martha May Whovier. ColourPop sent me the Grinch collection, so we got to do a Martha May look. That's what I'm feeling with this kind of pink moment. I can't do Cindy Lou Who anymore. I'm 49 years old. So Martha May it is. She's glam, she's gorgeous, perfect. I thought this ColourPop blush, this is the liquid blush that they have, Wildest Dreams. I don't have my glasses on. Told you I was 49. But it's hot pink. My kids are literally out there watching the movie right now. I was like, ooh, that'd be good because I need to get some inspiration. Look how gorgeous. Okay, I've done the button nose as best I can. I feel like we need some like old school highlighter, and that's what this is. This is one of the highlighters they sent. It's the Super Shock highlighter, pearlized, 2 sizes too small. Oh, I forgot to blend that in. But we need some of this on that, and then definitely on the end. Same with a pink one too, so I'll use that on top of my blush. I mean, it's so soft. You can just use it with your finger. Really easy to use. Have you seen this palette? It is gorge. Really pretty. This one looks really fun. It's very shifty with green and pink. I'm not sure if the camera picks it up. I said this in my other video. I wish that there was more green, but this will be fine for a Martha May look. I'm gonna just kind of sweep. What did I just do? Nope. I just got glitter from this next one. I'm trying to go for this one, but I just got that all over my brush and on my face. Please hold. Wow, that glitter is really pretty. But I didn't want it on my eye yet. Just wanted like this pinky kind of, you know, little backdrop moment. I'm not ready for the glitter yet. Hold on, everybody. Don't rush me. Here's where we are. I'm using the palette, obviously. I want to do just old school cut crease with the greens. So I think I'm going to use a cream green base to make it pop a little bit. I mean, that's green. I feel like I got it in my eyelashes though. Oops. I will tell y'all, these green shimmers are soft, like just buttery. Butter. Look, so pretty. Scooping it up with my brush. I just got like a little flat brush. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. That might be my favorite one in the palette. Hello. I'm just going to put this one in my brow. Why not? Usually I put purple in my brow to match my hair. This one's kind of purpley reddish brown. Pink over here for the blush. I mean, it's a pretty pink. And I feel like she's even got a little bit of that pink on her nose, you know? You could just use this for a blush. And they definitely have, you know, the rosy cheeks situation. And we're doing a lash. I took a break to eat and went outside to watch my kids play, and it's so windy out there. My eyes were starting to water, and I was like, oh God, I've got to go back in. Now these lashes, I wanted to just do like the outside, so I'd found like one of the biggest obnoxious lashes that I had, and I had to kind of cut it so it's just the end that's long. I want to use the Who Hash glitter as kind of like my underbrow highlighter. It's got stars in it. Or is that a snowflake? Oh, it's a snowflake. How cute is that? Oh, I lost the snowflake. Oh, but it's so cute. Put a little bit like on my, you know, palm. Just got like a little angled brush. I gotta move. I can't have a snowflake right next to another snowflake. Look at how cute. Ow! I don't know. I need to curl these pieces, but I'm trying. I feel like I need another, like a centerpiece here. I don't know. This hair, I feel like I'm done with the makeup. I just need a lip. So I'm going to use one of their lips. I just want you to know I'm getting hot flashes. So I'm like over this. Getting hot. So I have to like go out and turn the fan on, and then I'll be back. I just got to take breaks because I'm getting hot flashes in here. But I really like the makeup. And I just want you to know that. It has nothing to do with the makeup. It's great. I'm 49 years old and I'm hot. Lights, you know. That's all I'm saying. This is what we ended up with. I feel like it looks fine. I put the beauty mark. And then the last thing we need to do is a lip. So there's a couple options. They have little lip kits. I think I'm going to go with the red situation. And then there was even some little lip glosses too. So maybe we'll just kind of top it off with the red one, just to give it a little extra oomph. The pink one is really pretty too. Look. So fun. It's not even red. I think it's more of kind of like a dark pink, but it's fine. So these are called Santa Claus hat and Boo Hoo is the little clicky thing. Berry Grinchy, So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balm and Lip Liner Set. So fun. This is kind of a dark berry color. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's minty. Minty fresh. I want to overline on the top because her lips were really obnoxious. Look how cute. Yeah. Very Martha May. Ooh. The overlining definitely helps. Topped it with that gloss. That's the mean one. I mean, that looks like a Who lip. Okay. Here's where we are. I think we're gonna just kind of stop here. I feel like she wore gloves. I don't have like Christmas gloves, but these will do. Martha May. I think it'll work. All right. Oh, last earring. I hope you love the look. Thank you, ColourPop. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Ho, ho, ho. Bye. Amber Wood, over 40 makeup mom. Bye.